Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make this analog animation. Analog clock animation. This is very unique. You won't get anywhere in YouTube channel. And I was inspired from this. If you've seen this game, it is Clash of Clans. I like how the clock works, how the stick. I try to make some designs which would look similar to this one, but at the end I come up with my own design. So let's get started. I will teach you how, basically I will show you how to make this animation. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so for before we start, I will create one page. I will name it as clock. But the clock is like this. Okay, clock. All right, clock, and I will create one frame. I will press F key, shift, and then create like this. I will pressing shift and then making it. Suppose I will go till one. Okay, 150 is a good size. Got it. Now I will press O, which means I'm going to make a circle, and press shift key and then make a circle here. Okay. Just repeating what are the things that I'm doing. 8686. I will use this button which locks the aspect ratio. So I will just make 100 here. So you can see that 100 here will also show 100 here. If I don't do this, what will happen is that it will just scale it, basically skew the image that we don't want. So yeah, 100 is better with that thing. Like, just quickly jump to the conclusion. So uh, I'm going to give it a very simple design. Just this is the fill animation, fill color. I will go here and put the gradient, choose the radial because I want a circular look, radial, and here is okay. I will change this color. It's a black, but I would like something better, like
1A.
1A, 1A, and 1A. That looks better. Okay. Oh, surprisingly, it's black. Got it. That's why Ultraman is like that. Okay, so let's go. A simple design because I like some UI elements. So I will go with the stroke and then go with the outside of this push position. Weight I would like to give 10, and let's make it a little different. I click on the stroke. I click on the stroke, give 10 as a weight, and then color going towards the linear, then radial. I will choose you can select the color like this and make it like this. Okay, you can change these positions by clicking on this, which doesn't look good at all. Okay, here I'm going to give some color, like maybe yellow. Yellow is fine. This one little red. Oh damn, this is like, damn, I will change this. I don't want to focus on colors, but yeah, I mean, um, okay, fine. Let's go with this one because our motive is not to choose that what kind of color we want. We want to know how to make this kind of animation that I made. So what I will do is create one rectangle. For that, I'm using this R button and creating this thing. Okay, make sure that it is basically in the center. Like, I'm clicking this alignment and not this center but that center. um, all right. Now if I animate it, just to explain this thing, I will make one uh, animation here. If I rotate it right from this side, uh, what will happen is that suppose I choose this thing and do this, you see that it's rotating like this, something which we don't want it. We never want to rotate like that. We want it to be like this thing. But if you do like that, like if you come interact like this, rotate it like that on click, or maybe after, what will happen is that it will animate in a very very wrong way. How wrong way? I was just trying to show that, just for explanation I'm showing you this. After, okay, I will just one quickly create one frame and put this thing in this one. Oh damn, the frame is look like bigger than this, and then play it. Okay, so if you see, damn, do you do you know what does it mean? What I was trying to say, it looks like this. What, something which we don't want. All right, so what we should do, okay, we reason for this is because the anchor point is here, and we want anchor point to be here, not this side. How we can achieve such kind of effect? One way that I know is to create a duplicate of this, create it till here, almost like half of it, and then make it a group. All right, this is a group. Now I know this thing is visible, so you can just go here and make the opacity to 0, which makes it invisible. And if you choose group, and now if you try to basically rotate it, you see the magic. Yeah, that's the magic I was talking about. So now if I basically animate it, first of all choose this, make this thing to this because I want it to be in flow. Now if I want to rotate it and make it to like 90 degrees, oh damn, no, not at 90 degrees, but basically this 90 degrees, so it was minus 90, I should choose minus 90. See, you saw that? I will just create one more group, this one, minus 180, 90 plus 90 minus 180. Second one, like, because we need the fourth state, and choose it again, 180 plus basically, yeah, I mean, I would say just do this thing too, so that it basically 90 degree. And now we will go back to this thing. Okay, I will show you how to animate this thing. Just click on one, and if you click on the prototype, you will see this plus sign. Don't go with this plus sign because it creates the variant. We don't want to create a variant. We want to create this thing. By the way, you can see in prototype there is some already delay. Remove this one. Check, show that it's not present. Any other interactions are not there. Click on this. Now press the plus button. Keep pressing it. Move it towards the second component, and press after delay. Now I'm not sure how many of you know about this timing settings. 800 millisecond basically means 0.8 second. This means 1 second. 1000 millisecond is equivalent to 1 second. And there's a duration here of 700. Like this tells like for how long the animation will happen. I want total 1000 millisecond difference. So I will create a 700 millisecond for delay, and for 300 second when this tick will happen, I will do the same thing, like plus sign here, click, no, I want after delay, make it to 700. Somehow the second component should take that thing on after delay to 700 millisecond after delay, and then this one, last one, to the top one. Okay, after delay 700 milliseconds, 300 seconds. Okay, now if I create one frame, I'm pressing F and then shift to have a lock, basically to have a lock expect, I press shift and scale it. Now I will just command C this thing, basically copy, and command V, just to make sure that this thing is not that it's basically on center. I will smaller the frame. Now if I play it, see, you got the magic, right? Now a few things you can do in component. If you don't know about this thing, you can select this. I know this looks very straight. I mean, it looks very edgy, that I don't want. I want a shape that has a round corner. At the same time, I want to apply it everywhere in the same element. For do that, I will choose design, select this thing, and then click on this thing. It's basically means that you will select the same component, not component, but basically element in the same component library. So it's tell you like 4 are selected. Now I will go to the corner radius increase the radius to something which makes you, oh yeah, now I like it. See, it's changed everywhere, everywhere. If I select this thing again, like rectangle 1 is the name, and yeah, 4 are selected. Go with the effect. See, I effect drop shadow is always selected as default. You can increase the blur radius if you want, or maybe of course you don't want any kind of um, blurred effect. Maybe increase the shadow opacity to 40% so that it's more visible, and you can see it's visible everywhere, everywhere in the component. And this which is the frame, I think the frame size is pretty small, so I will just press K, and then I will increase the size. This K actually increase the size by locking the aspect ratio, so it's a good thing. I don't like how this um, yeah, now you can see how this animation work. All right, guys, I hope you like my tutorial. um, I would like to listen to some suggestions from you guys, that what kind of animation would you like to see. Previously I have shown some animation like this one where Disney Solitaire, how the cards flip animation will happen, uh, how page flip animation will happen. But I want to listen from you guys, like what kind of animation would you like. So please write down in comment section, tell me what kind of things or would uh, things or something that you would like to listen from me. Please and write please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.